Cheers to healthy living.
Greetings, everyone. So this year I've decided I'm going to be starting to grow my own food. So a little bit or a lot, if you can grow a little bit of food for yourself, it is so fantastic. And the things that I love to eat, I'm going to be growing, like, for example, pumpkin and cucumbers and tomatoes, lettuce, cabbage, pop choy or bok choy. All right, so that's what I'm maybe growing. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I'm growing. I'm super excited. If you can grow a little bit, even if you can grow stuff on your windowsill, like maybe just herbs, okay, some little veggies. You know what chemicals are not in your food. You know all the pesticides that are not in your food. All right, so grow your own food and live a happier, healthier existence. Okay, so I'm doing my little gardening, super excited, and I'm going to show you right now what I'm growing. All right.
Welcome to Nutrition Lawyer channel. On this channel, we advocate for healthy living, a healthy lifestyle, longevity, a ketogenic diet, fasting, both intermittent fasting and full fasting, and detoxification of your body, mind, and soul. And of course, general happiness. Because if you're eating well and you're looking good and you love the way you look, you're going to be happier, right? Yeah, you'll be happier. That's just how it is. Now, if it's your first time here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscription button. Thank you. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new content or whenever I go live. And let's get into today's video.
Walk from my vineyard.
Are you looking for a natural way to heal yourself? Well, look no further than growing your own pumpkins. Yes, pumpkins.
Walk from my vineyard.
So, everyone, I am growing my own food this year, and this is how the pumpkin is looking. So the pumpkin is going to be red. Look how gorgeous this is, huh? Look how gorgeous this is. So this is a vine, right? This is the vine. The leaves are changing. So the pumpkin is going to be ready to pick when these leaves are all this color, when it all turns brown around it. All right. So this is one of the pumpkins. I'm looking forward to having this. I'm a big pumpkin girl. Huge fan of pumpkin. I've actually replaced a lot of the heavy starchy foods with pumpkin. So let's go over to the other patch because I see another pumpkin here. So this one is actually ready to be picked because all the leaves, if you look at it, all the leaves around it are brown. So when all the leaves are completely brown like this, then it's ready to be picked. So I'm going to be picking this one. And I'm gonna make a nice pumpkin dish today. This one's a bit smaller, but yeah, we're gonna pick. I'm gonna pick this one. Gosh, ooh, I think I need a knife to cut it. All right, so this is it. I'm gonna get it out.
Pumpkins are not only delicious, but they also have amazing health benefits. Pumpkins are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E, and rich in potassium and fiber. These nutrients can help boost your immune system and improve your overall health.
All right, so it's ready and we're gonna be cutting it off the vine. All right, so when the leaves are this color, completely brown around it, dried, your pumpkin is ready. Okay? All right. we're ready. I'm so excited to cook this pumpkin, and I'll definitely do a dish and show you what we're gonna make. All right?
By growing your own pumpkins, you can ensure that they are free of harmful pesticides and chemicals. This means you are getting the purest form of a superfood. In addition to their nutritional value, pumpkins can also be used in a variety of natural remedies. From pumpkin seed oil for skin health to pumpkin puree for digestive issues, the possibilities are endless.
Walk from my vineyard.
That's ready. So I'm doing mashed pumpkins. You can do it regular style with butter and heavy whipping cream, but I'm going to do it with coconut oil and coconut milk. Coconut oil. Coconut milk. Smashed pumpkin smells so good. The coconut oil is virgin, so it smells like coconut. So yummy. Cannot wait to taste. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So good. Cheers to healthy living.
So, why not start your own pumpkin patch today? Not only will you be reaping the physical benefits, but the act of gardening itself can be incredibly therapeutic and wonderful for your overall mental well-being. Take control of your health and start planting pumpkins today. Your body, mind, and soul will thank you. And of course, thank me, Nutrition Lawyer. Cheers to healthy living.